afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ms. Rodriguez.
Okay, today we're going to be learning about food chains. I want a volunteer to read me the objective, please. Okay, Natalie, it's going to be behind you. Read me the objective.
We are learning about the flow of energy and the matter in the ecosystem. By looking at a food chain, we can discuss how the energy and matter flows.
That's great. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys 5 minutes to write down these Cornell notes, okay? I'm going to give you guys 5 minutes. Let's get started right now. Okay? There's 3 facts about food webs. Okay, 2 differences between producers and consumers, and 1 interesting fact about the ecosystem. We are going to be watching a video, so based on the video, you guys will be answering these questions, okay? You can sit right here, okay? So I'll give you guys 5 minutes to write this down. 4 minutes. Good. Thank you, Miss Yu. Let's see. So this is a 3-2-1 step that actually my professor, she gave me an idea to use this, so I wanted to use it for you guys. You guys should know about producers and consumers by now. We're gonna recap those vocabulary words, and we're gonna discuss them after we watch the video. Okay. It's at 3 minutes. When you guys are finished, just give me thumbs up, okay? Thank you. Thank you. Elijah, right? Jason. I'm sorry. Elijah. I'm sorry. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Adam. Okay, so it's YouTube. Okay? Okay. You guys still writing? Got 2 minutes. Thank you. Thank you, Brianna. I'm just waiting for this thing. 1 more minute, guys. You guys should look at the keywords that are posted there. Food webs, producers and consumers, and ecosystem. Who knows what is ecosystem? You guys should know this. Yes, Jason.
I think a sheep system is like where a lot of different animals and plants live.
Okay, that's good. Good job. You guys know what is a community? You guys know a community in an ecosystem? Jason? Not Jason. Sorry, Jacob.
I think wait, what is it?
A community.
A community is the type of
job. Okay, you guys have 30 seconds left. Everybody finish? Thank you,
Yes.
Jaden. Thank you, Anya. Okay, time's up, guys. Now I'm gonna play a video that has to do with ecosystems. So while we play the video, I want you guys to write notes. What 3 things that you know about this food chain that you guys see in the video? 2 differences between producers and consumers that you guys should know about in the video, and 1 interesting fact that you guys can talk about in this ecosystem. Okay? Okay, so everybody is set? Yes?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's watch this video.
A wetland ecosystem is an area of land that is covered in water for part or all of the year. Wetlands can contain freshwater or saltwater and are often found in low-lying areas near lakes and rivers or in coastal areas. The water-covered soil in a wetland is often rich in minerals, which help support a great variety of plants. Common plants include water lilies, duckweed, catstails, and a variety of bushes, ferns, and short trees.
You guys should be writing notes. What are 3 things?
With an abundance of water and variety of plants, wetlands support a great diversity of animal populations.
Talk
The
about what you see
organisms
in the
within
video.
each population interact and reproduce. A great variety of birds can be found in wetlands, which provide them with food, a safe place to reproduce, and a place to rest during migration.
Which animals are producers?
Wetlands attract a great variety of frogs and other amphibians that are dependent on water for reproduction. You'll also find a variety of reptiles, like alligators, turtles, lizards, and snakes.
Is a snake a consumer?
Wetlands are home to a variety of different mammals. Giant moose wade in the shallow water in search of food. There's beavers, coipus, and capybaras too. Underwater, you'll find an abundance of fish. You'll find them out of water too. As the amount of water in a wetland changes from season to season, the type and diversity of organisms can change. When the wetland is at its driest, plants may die and there are usually fewer animals. During the wet season, plants grow back and animal diversity also increases. There's a rich diversity of insects and other small animals too. Wetlands are biologically diverse wonderlands. Are there any wetlands in your area? What plants and animals can be found there? How does the wetland change throughout the year? See you later, alligator.
guys should have been taking notes. Three things that you guys saw about the food chain. Two differences about two differences between the producers and the consumers, and one interesting fact that you guys can find in this ecosystem. So I want somebody to share what they wrote so far. Everybody wants to share. It could be one interesting fact that you found about the ecosystem. It could be the difference that you found between the producers and the consumers. Go ahead, Adam.
One interesting fact that I found in the video is that reptiles are wetlands.
Okay, that's good. Good job. Great. Jason.
A consumer is most likely being like a living animal,
Okay.
and a non-living animal could be a producer like a plant.
That's great. Everybody heard Jason? A producer is somebody that eats plants, right? That's good. And a consumer, I see consumer like meat eaters. Anybody wants to name an example of a consumer? You guys know examples? Jacob?
A cheetah.
A cheetah, good. Anybody else knows an example? Jake?
The snake.
A snake, good. Adeline?
A lion.
A lion, good. Samir?
Humans.
Humans, good. We eat meat, yes. Melanie, you wanted to say something?
An alligator,
An alligator, good. Just come there. Layla?
a dog,
Oh, that's good. Good. Good job. Okay, what about a producer? Yes, Jake.
Plant.
Good. Great job. You want agrees in here? Yes? Good. Jacob.
Sheep.
Good. That's great.
Cows.
Yes. That's great. Good job, guys. So that could be a difference between a producer and a consumer. Yes, Lily.
I have another one for a producer.
Okay.
It could be a sloth, because sloths eat like leaves.
Good. That is great. Good job. Great job, guys. Okay, so now, anybody else want to share anything that they saw in this video? Anything that you guys saw? Jada?
Fishes out of the water.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Fishes out of the water.
Fish and animals in the water? That's good. Great job. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I saw a blue heron. You guys know what a blue heron is? A blue heron. It's a kind of bird. Jason?
It's a blue.
A blue bird? Good. It was eating something. Did you guys saw? You guys want to give a hint? Give a guess of what it was eating? Adam.
Like tiny sea creatures. Like
Okay.
fishes.
Okay. That's good. It was eating something. Let's guess, Mom. Insects?
Kind of like mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes is an example of what? Oh yeah, yeah, that's what they eat also. Yes, Gina.
A fish.
That's what they eat also. Yeah, that's good. So I wanted to talk to you guys about primary consumers and secondary consumers. That's actually one of you guys' questions. I put it in one of you guys' group baskets. So before we get to that, I wanted to explain to you guys what are producers. Producers are only plants, right? So primary producers are the animals that eat plants, like cows and sheep that you guys mentioned. And secondary consumers are carnivores, right? Like meat eaters like us, right? Like tigers and lions that you guys mentioned. So you guys did a really good job. That was great. So I want you guys to take out that fruit I said fruit basket. Fruit basket. I'm sorry. Take out that fruit basket. It should be right there. And you guys actually have a question. I just want leaders to raise your hand. Leaders from each group. Leader. Okay, I'm going to give you guys a sleep board. Okay? Let me take this out. I'm gonna give you guys a sleep board that you guys will be answering this question. Okay? Can you walk me this one?
You just need one for the group.
Okay, that's good. Okay, leader. Okay, you guys have one, right?
Yes, I think that wants
Okay, I'll give you guys one. You guys could just choose whoever wants to write. Okay. Okay, so leaders, you guys will be the one writing the answer on the sleep board, and also you guys can assign somebody to present that question to the class. Okay, so if it's just two of you guys, and one of you guys can write, and another person can present. Okay? So I'll give you guys 3 minutes to answer that question. You guys all have different questions, okay? I'll give you guys 3 minutes. You guys will be answering that question, okay? So which question do you guys want? Okay. Is it too hard for you guys? In the other groups I had problems with this question. I spoke about what is priority and what is secondary. Yes, so you think that they can be in the same, in one future? That if, primary consumer can be one future, and the secondary consumer can be another. If a primary consumer can be one future, think of a full life. And how all of those, all of them come together. It's not really a future anymore. So can a primary consumer be secondary consumer?
It's like, okay.
You don't think so? Okay. Okay, so that's what you guys put, what you guys say. Okay? So you put it down, right? So what do you think? Wait 1 minute, guys. Just 1 minute. Let me see the question then. This was one of the questions, actually. Oh, wow, so you noticed something different. That's great. Oh, wow.
Start to break down due to cold or hot.
Okay. So you guys did that. Question you is, how does one go within That's good. How does energy flow? Are you guys okay?
The climate change will start to be cold, hot, or rainy.
Okay,
or
guys, 5
And then
seconds.
If the animal can't,
Sorry.
like you know how some animals can't feel. Break down due to the heavy rain.
Okay, 1 more minute, guys. Just one, alright? 1 minute. Okay? There's no right or wrong answer. This is your opinion, what you know, okay? Yeah, you guys could present. You guys will present as a class. You guys do. Okay, 30 seconds. You guys good back there? Yes?
Yep.
You good? Okay. 30 seconds, guys.
And Predator got
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna call Melanie's group first. So whoever is presenting, please stand up from all three groups. Whoever is presenting, please stand up. Wait a second, oh no. Whoever is presenting, please stand up. Alright, so Melanie is gonna talk first. You guys, everybody on board? Everybody listening? Back there, you guys are listening? Yes? Okay. Alright. Go ahead, Mel. I'm sorry, can you read the question? Because everybody had different questions. They're not gonna know which question you guys have.
The question says, what would happen if a major predator was removed from a food chain? My question was,
Nice.
my answer was, if a predator is removed from a food chain, the animals that depend from it will be affected.
Good. Okay, Jason. Do you want to say something, Jason?
So let's say
Okay.
let's say like one type of cat dies, and an eagle will try to find it, but if it doesn't find it, it will probably starve because the cat isn't where it isn't is not there. So that's why I chose this answer. We chose this answer.
Okay, that's great. Good job. All right, so I'm gonna call this person. So lady, you can say the question first, okay? The question and then the answer.
Can a organism be primary somewhere or food chain and a secondary somewhere?
Good job. Guys, pay attention. Melanie, please.
A consumer is an animal which is in a food chain, and the secondary consumer would either be like a different type of consumer, also might be a food web, which is when it moves in one flow.
Okay, good job. All right. So, Adam, go ahead.
How does energy flow within an ecosystem? Within an ecosystem, energy flows only in one direction. For example, if one animal in the food chain dies, then the energy will die with it. It cannot be recycled like matter.
Good. That's great. Okay. All right, Jaden.
How would climate change affect the balance of a food chain? It would break down due to the weather, and some animals cannot handle that. So that would break down everything, all the energy and everything. So the other animals won't be able to get that same energy.
Okay. Good job. Great. So, Jakes, you want to say something? Just
How does energy flow within an ecosystem? solves the ecosystem by looking at a food chain. We can discuss how the energy and matter flows.
Good. Great job. All right. So I got another question that was supposed to be before. What is the role of decomposers in the food chain? Who can tell me? Jaden.
A decomposer is a type of animal that decompose food to make other plants grow.
Good. Just like the pictures that you guys see there. So compost is part of the decomposer, right? So when compost is planted and when all the garbage comes together, right, it allows other plants to grow, right? Without other plants, then guess what? The primary consumers won't have nothing, then the carnivores won't have anything, right? And then everything is going to die out, right? Just like I said in the video. Okay? So, good job, guys. Give yourselves a hand. Good job, guys. So, I want you guys to take out your Be a Scientist notebook. We are going to go to page 150. Okay? 150. Right behind me. 150. Yes, Jim. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. If you guys want to erase that, on the paper towel. You guys want to erase that? Who needs a paper towel? Thank you. You guys need a paper towel? You guys erased it? Okay. So. Can I have a volunteer, please, to read me the directions? Go ahead, Melanie. Good job. Okay. Ishmael, can you read number 8 for me?
Where do the plants get their energy?
Good. 9. Who wants to read it for me? Jay.
What animals get plants? What animals eat other animals?
Great job. Okay, good. So, what are we doing in this space provided? We are researching. Go ahead, Ishmael.
We are going to research the type of ecosystem that we choose, either a plant or an animal.
You guys are researching an ecosystem, okay? You guys are researching an ecosystem and you guys are putting in the space provided. You guys are putting in the space provided plants and animals. What kind of things that you guys find in that ecosystem? Okay, I'm gonna pass you guys, an example that I did. I did a swamp. I did a frog ecosystem. Frogs live in the swamp, right? It could be a pond. It could be a rainforest. Actually, if I could have somebody name examples of ecosystems for me. Anybody knows an example of an ecosystem? Jason.
I don't know if it's correct, but squirrels and
Okay, so where do they live? Where do squares live? Squirrels. Okay, so you can find trees where? Like in the the park, the forest, right? The forest is an ecosystem. Yes, ma'am. In the woods? Okay, that's good. That's an ecosystem.
The desert,
Thank you, Zamir. Yes, the desert. What kind of animals are in the desert?
like scorpions and snakes.
Good. Camels? Okay, that's good. Jacob.
Iguanas or something like lizards.
Yes, in the desert. Another ecosystem that I like a lot is the ocean. Right? Jaden.
The population.
Good. Okay, that's another example of an ecosystem. Yes, Jacob.
Summer, like a normal.
What do you mean summer? In the summer, like the beach. Okay, but do animals live on that beach? Like, okay, so you want to find an ecosystem that has plants and animals, right? Like the ocean. Maybe you can speak a while instead of the beach, you can speak a while inside the ocean. Yes, ma'am?
And the ocean, there are fish, jellyfish,
Okay. Good. Sharks. Jellyfish. Fish. Stinger fish. Okay, good. Layla?
also the mountains because of like mountain lions or like any
Okay.
wild animals.
Okay, do plants live on the mountain too? Okay, good. As long as your ecosystem have plants and animals, you guys can talk about it. Alright? So I'm gonna give you guys just 15 minutes. This is not hard. Alright? Because 8 and 9 speaks for itself. Alright, so I'm gonna put the timer. I want you guys to take out your Chromebooks. You guys will be able to use your Chromebooks to research. Okay? In just 2 minutes, you guys should already have your ecosystem. It could be you guys can use mine, a swamp, a pond, alright, a rainforest, a desert, an ocean, okay, a forest. Alright, so I'm gonna give you guys 15 minutes to do page 150. Don't worry about the I can't statement. You guys are just working on the chart and numbers 8 and 9. Okay? So I'm gonna, the timer started, I'm just gonna show you guys my model. Okay? You see I put down the plants and the swamp, which is a swamp. It doesn't have to be much. It could be 2 or 3 plants that you found. I know in rainforest there could be 50 plants. Okay? You guys are putting for ecosystem. It's a place. Okay? Where do animals live? You guys could choose an animal, or put specifically when it says type of ecosystem, put where they live. Like I said, the ocean. Okay, a swamp, a pond, rainforest. Right? This is just an example that I did, alright? I wrote about a chalk ecosystem, which is a swamp. These are all the animals that I listed. You wanna see it? Okay? Okay, if there's plants on there, you can talk about it. Yes,
And
just
then share with Jaden.
you guys can research using Google, okay, types of ecosystems, and from there, you guys research all plants and animals found. It depends the type of ecosystem. If you guys are doing a rainforest, plants and animals found in a rainforest. And that's where you guys will, just bullet points. Doesn't have to be long sentences, alright? Just bullet points.
Iguana in
So I
the
wanna,
desert.
I wanna show you guys mine. The swamp, this is all the animals that are found. It doesn't have to be long sentences, just bullet points. That's good, Adeline. Tropical rainforest. Yeah, desert, good. Okay? Yana? This is just an example of mine, okay? You guys wanna see mine? Here? I did the swamp. Okay? Yeah. The Amazon, that's a great ecosystem. Yeah.
All the apples, fruits.
Meerkat.
Oh, you see? You can put 5, 6, whichever. Okay? Hey, Jay, this is just an example of things, okay? I did the swamp. This is a frog ecosystem. I mean, those are just my own notes. You don't have to do that. I put swamp plants often have special adaptations to thrive in waterlogged conditions, like specialized root systems that access oxygen near the water. That's just a little note. Okay. So go ahead. I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna ask you guys, what is your ecosystem? That should have it. It's been 4 minutes. Because
Share. You guys can share too what
I
you
can
find
make
about your
so I put swamp. So swamp is where the, maybe I made a mistake there. I want to do it with chocolate type of ecosystem. Hummingbird. That's just the animal, okay? And then the animals. Okay? Okay. Tropical rainforest. Which one are you doing? Mountain? Okay. Yeah, go ahead. Jason, which one you doing? Ocean, good. Okay. Tropical rainforest. Desert, good. You know which one? Desert, good. Jacob, you should have this open. We got 10 minutes, okay? 10 minutes. Which one you guys are doing? Okay. Okay. Good.
Tropical rain.
Okay, you guys are, which one you doing? A one? Orchard? Orchard. But that's, where's the place where you live?
It's more a bunch of apples, many and orchard.
Okay, you should be picking like a place, just like a tropical rainforest. That's what an ecosystem
Like a desert.
is. It's like a community of all the animals and plants working together.
What you're looking up right
So-
now is goes in a tropical forest too.
Okay, so that's a plant.
No, but a tropical
Tropical.
forest, not a tropical rain.
So that's what you should put here, Jacob. Tropical forest. Okay? Alright, 9 minutes, guys. Jake. Okay, desert. What plants are found in the desert? What do you think? Yeah. Yes, that's what you're looking for, okay? Plants that you find.
Like right now, it's raining.
Ocean plants. If you're doing ocean, you should be writing the ocean plants found. Okay? And the animals.
But it's always cloudy.
Okay, so that's good.
There's
Dolphin, tuna fish. They got other ocean. Good. That's pretty. In a rainforest. Good. Okay, so Jason pointed out number 9. I mean number 8. Yes. Where do the plants get their energy? You guys should know that. Samir, where do the plants get their energy?
By photosynthesis.
Okay, good. By what though? What source?
The sun.
Thank you, the sun. You guys should know that. That's the answer to number 8. Where do the plants get their energy from? Maybe there's a plant, maybe you guys can research something else, or where they get their energy from. You guys go ahead,
Be like a lake
alright?
right next to it.
You guys are researching.
Well, hurry up, I'm out there. Everyone? Yeah. It can be any animal you can find. In the rainforest? I don't think so. Look it up. For squirrels, I find it like in a park, or you know, outside on trees. Who guys could name an animal instead of rainforest? Who could think of one? Animal.
For a rainforest,
Yes.
jaguars.
Okay, in the rainforest? That's interesting. Okay, now. Tigers? That's what you- Okay. Oh my god, boy, Danotant. Yeah.
I set up a lion.
That nobody's ever heard of.
Oh wow, this is good. Jaguar.
Poison dartfrogs, capybara, Asian elephants, electric eels, pythons, sloth bears, and Amazon river dolphins.
Wow, great. Good job. That is good. 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. 5 minutes, guys. So I actually drew this, and I wanted to show you guys. This is actually a food chain that I did. Yes. See?
Oh look, that's
Yeah, it's not perfect though. I tried my best. I didn't trace it, so if you guys are thinking that, I didn't trace it.
Yeah, it looks like you did trace it.
Oh, I didn't actually. I just tried my best. And this is a food chain.
I like it.
Okay? Tomorrow you guys will be conducting, tomorrow you guys will be making your own food chain. But it's based on the a Pacific ecosystem that we guys are discussing tomorrow. So I'm just giving you guys a preview. Okay? Tomorrow you guys will be working on 151. Okay? Good. Great job. This one, if you want to get started, wanna draw your own in your phone, so you can just write the name of the animal. Herbivores. You can write it with you could do any animal, there's so many. You could do a lion eats, what does lion eat? And then so on and so on like this. I forget. What is one thing that I didn't add in this? I wanna see if you guys know. There is one thing that I didn't add. Okay, Jason? There is one thing that I didn't even put on this.
It's the sun.
The sun! Good! I
Forgot to add it here. The sun.
And the water.
And water. Good. So yeah, food chains. Every food chain starts with what?
The sun.
The sun.
Because how is the grass going to grow and how is the
What about
other
dirt?
animals gonna get nutrients from the grass?
That's good.
What about dirt?
Dirt also. Yeah, I didn't even add it here. With glass. So I want to show you guys a food chain that I did. Look. Danny, we are working on this, okay? I want you to. Sorry, 2 minutes. Okay, good. Good job. So you're researching your knee ecosystem. I'll show you exactly lines. That's what frogs do, right? So I put the plants and the animals that have to do with our ecosystem. What plants you can find in the rainforest and the desert. He's doing the desert. So you're gonna research and you just look at this. And if you have time, I would just do that 1 minute. So yeah, I was missing the sun. Good. Good job. No, you guys, we're doing this tomorrow, okay? What it says here, this is only if we have time. Right now, it's only 30. This is exactly what I did. Okay, you guys have 20 seconds. This is a food chain. You know what? Has much more animals. Much more, yeah, much more animals also. Much more energy flow. Alright, so I'm gonna give you just 2 minutes to take out your Cornell notes and write your summary, okay? Take out your Cornell notes. If you guys didn't finish it, you can finish another way. But I want you to right now to take out your Cornell notes, okay? Does anybody, just 2 hands, at least 2. Anybody want to speak about the ecosystem that they wrote about? Just 2 hands. Okay, I'm gonna have Melanie and Lee. Go ahead, Melanie.
So the type of ecosystem like this is tropical rainforest.
Okay, good.
I say for plants, wildflowers, ferns, cypress, moss, and animals, spiders, mountain gorillas, organ
Good.
Leopards and blue poison dark frogs.
Good. Great job, Layla. You wanna speak?
The type of ecosystem actually is a
Good.
listen plants that are in mountains, pine trees,
Good. Yes. Good. Good job.
animals is mountain goats, black bears, holy eagles, and snow leopards.
Great job. Good. Okay, so for number 8, everybody, what did everybody put? Number 8. Melanie. Anybody put to help everybody? Are you guys okay back there? Yes? Okay.
For
You
number,
guys
for number 8, the teacher said favorite pencil game.
please, Cynthia, number.
So for what animals eat other animals, I put fish, shark, and whales eat krill, crab larvae, and jellyfish.
That's interesting.
And
Good.
fish. Fish is for mostly sharks and whales.
Good job. That's
So the
interesting.
animals that eat plants are zooplankton. Is zooplankton. They eat
Zooplankton.
plants.
Yes. Good job.
And sometimes jellyfish.
Good. Great job. Yes, Leila.
So what if the number 9, which is says all animals eat and eat other animals? I put cows eat grass. Also, alligators eat the ones that eat like seals like other animals surrounding them.
Good. That is great. Good job, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys 2 minutes to write your summary and your Cornell notes. If you guys didn't finish your Cornell notes, you guys didn't finish the 3 facts about food webs, the 2 differences on producers and consumers, and the 1 interesting fact on the ecosystem, you guys can write that and the summary. Finish? Good. So for the summary, you guys are write about what we learned.